Following developing details about Amanda Knox this hour, the American student in Italy who, along with her boyfriend, was accused of murdering her British roommate, and they spent 4 years behind bars before they were acquitted in 2011. The breaking news, though, coming today from the highest court in Italy, the highest appeals court, and Susan Ormiston with us with those breaking details. Susan?
Well, Heather, let's take a look at this case. It's a 5.5-year-old murder case. As you said, Meredith Kercher, a British student, and Amanda Knox, an American student, were roommates in Italy in 2007. And one night, Kercher's body was found in a pool of blood in the house she shared with Knox, and her throat had been slashed. Now, Amanda Knox and her Italian ex-boyfriend were convicted, as you said, of the murder, but after 4 years in an Italian jail, that conviction was overturned by an Italian appeals court. Now, today we're hearing that a higher court ruled this morning the acquittal will be dismissed, a new trial will be ordered. The Kercher family had appealed to the court and is said to be very happy with today's decision. The outstanding question, though, is why? On what grounds does the court think that it can overturn this acquittal? The appeals court that acquitted them in 2011 criticized virtually the entire case mounted by the prosecutors. The appellate court noted that the murder weapon was never found, the DNA tests were faulty, and prosecutors provided no murder motive. But the prosecutors have always said that Knox and her boyfriend were involved in a sex game gone wrong. Now, there is a third man involved here from the Ivory Coast. He was convicted of the slaying and is still in jail, Heather.
Now, she, for her part, I was just reading she was in Seattle studying, Susan, so she's back in the United States. How will this ruling, ordering this new trial, how will it affect her?
Yes, she's 25. She lives in Seattle now after spending 4 years in an Italian jail. Now, she has said she knows about the news. She said it was very painful to hear about it. And she says a retrial is unfair and wrong, and she and her family will continue to assert her innocence and fight as they always have for the truth. But here's the sticky part. She can't be compelled to return for a retrial. She could be held in contempt of court if she doesn't show up, but there are really no additional penalties for that. However, if she is found guilty in a retrial, Italy could seek her extradition from the United States. Her ex-boyfriend has resumed university studies in Italy. So this is still a very twisted tale of an old murder case.